Hello guys, welcome back. A new video today. Find a plastic animal. Wow! Wow, so beautiful. Wow, dinosaur, cow, elephant, tiger, cat. Wow, zebra. Let's go check. Wow, amazing. This is zebra. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, this is dog. Wow, cute dog. Wow, amazing. Wow, this is toy car. Wow, amazing. So beautiful. Wow, this is goat, yellow color goat. Wow, this is tiger. Wow, amazing. Wow, this is mini hippo. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, this is leopard. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, amazing. This is mini cat. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, this is elephant. Wow, black color elephant. Wow, amazing. Wow, this is horse. Wow, so beautiful. This is horse. Wow, this is giraffe, mini giraffe. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, amazing. This is dinosaur, biggest dinosaur, operative battery cell. Wow, amazing. Wow, this is dog. Wow, so beautiful. This is dog. Wow, amazing. This is cow. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, this is goat. Wow, so beautiful. This is goat. Wow, this is duck. Wow, mini duck. Wow, so cute. Wow, this is giraffe. Wow, so beautiful. This is giraffe. Wow, this is lion. Wow, so cute lion. This is lion. Wow, this is deer. Wow, guys, please subscribe my channel, like video. Thank you.